understanding in June 2026. This historic breakthrough became possible as a result of Pakistan's close engagement with the both parties, US and Iran, complemented by our intensive diplomatic outreach to regional and international partners. Pakistan deeply appreciates the trust and confidence reposed in it by both Iran and the United States in undertaking this challenging responsibility in the larger interests of peace and security. It is our considered view that these outstanding issues can only be resolved through sustained dialogue and diplomacy. The international community must seize the opportunity provided by the Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding and the ongoing technical negotiation between the two parties to push for a permanent, peaceful and durable settlement of this conflict. At the same time, we must remain vigilant against those who seek to undermine regional stability. Such actors will exploit every opportunity to derail the peace process and reverse the progress already achieved. Only by working together we can achieve this shared objective of long-term peace, stability and prosperity for the region and beyond. Excellencies, Pakistan reaffirms its unwavering commitment to the goals and purposes of SCO. Pakistan's journey with the SCO from an observer in 2005 to attaining full membership in 2017 is a testament to our unwavering commitment to multilateralism. Our vision is to transform the SCO region into one of peace and sustainable development where the right to development is viewed as an integral human right. We view our membership as a strategic partnership for regional transformation. It is exemplified by our successful hosting of the 23rd meeting of the Council of Heads of Government in Islamabad in October 2024. Also, Pakistan currently steers the SCO Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure, SCO RATS, as the chair for 2025-2026, leading joint efforts to secure our digital and physical borders. Excellencies, we look forward to assuming the chairmanship of SCO Council of Heads of State in September this year, inshallah, and hosting the summit in Pakistan in 2027. This is reflection of your trust and confidence in Pakistan's role regionally and globally. Pakistan will continue to advance a forward-looking and action-oriented agenda aimed at enhancing economic collaboration, promoting regional connectivity, and deepening mutual understanding among our peoples. Dear colleagues, our geostrategic location serves as the natural gateway for Central Asia to the warm waters of the Arabian Sea. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor stands as a model for trans-regional connectivity, unlocking landlocked Central Asian states and efficient access to global markets via Gwadar Port. It is a platform for broader regional integration. Excellencies, as Pakistan looks forward to assuming the chairmanship, we are guided by the conviction that the SCO must deliver tangible dividends to its peoples. We will prioritize connectivity, trade facilitation, agriculture cooperation, youth development, and people-to-people linkages. We look forward to welcoming all SCO member states of Pakistan for the Council of Heads of Summit next year, inshallah. Before concluding, I greatly appreciate the kind words of my very dear friend, Foreign Minister Wang Yi, and other colleagues for encouraging and recognizing Pakistan's humble efforts for peace and stability in the region and beyond. Finally, I reaffirm Pakistan's commitment to the objective of SCO Charter. With strong belief in the potential of SCO, we would continue to work as a reliable and humble partner to transform a region into a space of enduring peace and shared prosperity. I thank you all.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।